Good afternoon, this is Ed from IC Controls, and I'm just about to calibrate a 7070 IX TRO analyzer. So what we have set up in the lab to make absolutely sure we have zero chlorine water to scrub out any oxidants is a carbon column here. So when we calibrate, we run it through this to make sure that it's absolutely zero. So we're going to go over to the analyzer now. Press the menu button. Let's see here. Going to calibrate. And it says turn your inlet valve to calibrate. So it's on operate right now. I'm going to turn it to the left for calibrate. Then press enter. Continue. Calibrate the sensor. And we're going to do a 2-point cal. So I'm going to select 2-point. And then we're going to continue. Now, it says to place the calibration tube in the Cal Standard 1. So this is my 0.2 ppm. I've already got it in there of my first standard. So basically, the standard has to go through here and pump into the machine. So it's going to take about 3 minutes. So I'm just going to set a little timer for 3 minutes. So we're just about to put in the calibration value. I've let it run through the pump for about 3 minutes. And then I have to edit this to my 0.2 ppm. Kind of nice, single digit editing. Press enter. And then when you're ready, press continue. And it's going to do a stability check. If everything's good, that'll be our first standard. There we go. Okay, now we're going to put in the second standard, the 2 ppm. Same thing, press continue. I'm going to let it run for 3 minutes again. Okay, so now we're going to go in and do our 2 ppm standard. We've let it run through the pumps for 3 minutes. So we have to edit this to 2. Press enter. And continue. And it's going to measure stability, and if it's happy, we'll get a good cap. There we go. Successful calibration. Our slope's 20.2 and our offset's 605.00.